Siding replacement in Beaver Creek, Ohio can enhance the appearance and protection of your home. But the process can be inconvenient. So, should you stay home or relocate during your replacement? At BCS Roofing and Solar, we're the local siding experts in the Dayton metro area. We want you to have a relaxed experience, so we'll help you decide if you should relocate during your siding replacement. The siding replacement process can be dusty, loud, and messy. Some residents might have trouble tolerating this environment. Others might be fine with the inconvenience. So how do you know whether you can handle staying home during this process? Some of the factors to consider when deciding whether to relocate include the duration of the project, your tolerance to disruptions, and your budget. You might be able to handle contractors working for 2 or 3 days, but not if they're there for a week or more. You also need to consider whether you can afford to pay for a hotel room or rent while they are working. At BCS Roofing and Solar, we'll work efficiently to finish your siding replacement as soon as possible. We'll do our best to make the process easy for you, whether you're at home or staying elsewhere. Regardless, we'll update you on our progress so you know when to expect your new siding. If you need an efficient and lasting siding replacement for your Beaver Creek, Ohio home, BCS Roofing and Solar is the answer. Call us today to get started.